Okay, so it's March. Time to get together another How to Kill a Kit with style for March. So I'm super excited because, again, I did so well last month. I think I finally found my groove and how I'm going to go about creating kits and then killing them. All right, so March is super special. I'm sorry if you can hear my dogs barking. They're just like, my neighbor is shoveling snow and they're just not happy, and I shut them all out of the room, but they're not cooperating in the quiet department, so I apologize in advance if you can hear them barking. This month's Kill a Kit is super special because my dear friend Christina, who owns the Secret Not Secret Kit Club and the Redefined Creative Shop, she asked me if I would guest design for her this month. And of course I said yes immediately. And she actually has two of us guest designing. Kelsey, who is another member of How to Kill a Kit with Style, will be killing the same kit. So you get lots and lots of inspiration. So this is a kit that you can find in her shop, and it is based off of the brand new collection from My Mind's Eye called Gingham Gardens. And it comes with a couple of extra goodies and then the paper and accessory kit. So let me show you what is in the kit that you can purchase from her shop. I will leave a shop link below, and I also have my very own discount code that you can use that I will also put down. It's Sarah Scraps, all one word, all uppercase letters, and you can get 10% off the kit if you want, and then you can play along with me and you can play along with Kelsey and have a ball. Okay, so one of the little extras that comes with the kit, so I'm gonna kind of go with the extras and then I'll show you what's in the paper and accessories kit, are these thickers. They're called Loving Life thickers. They're glittery and aqua and this like pearlescent, super cute. Love the font, love the size. This is going to be really fun to play with. And then in this little package are just some fun ephemera goodies. Okay, so there is some tags. I don't think these are from, these are mixed, these aren't from this line. They're just extra. So there's some tags. Really pretty. Love the colors. There are these little glassine envelopes, which I think are adorable. And how fun would it be to have something where there were like sequins coming out of the tops of them? That'd be super fun. So these are really cute, and they have adhesive on the back, so they're ready to go and put on your scrapbook page. There are these stamps. These are decorative use only stamps, so you can't use them to mail anything. But they're super cute and fun. You get 4 of those. And then these are like journal cards. They look like little postcards. Really cute. I hope you can see them. And you get 3 of those. So those are little goodies and the thickers that you get in addition to. I love the bag. That bag's awesome. Perfect. Love that. That would be really nice on scrapbook layout too. And then there's more goodies back here. I think this is part of this collection, but then you get this die cut. Hold on. Move it over so you can see it good. So this die cut, this is a pre-cut cut file. I don't know who designed it or where it's from, but it's part of the kit. And then you also get this little baggie that has all the little extra pieces to go into the B's and the A's. So then you're adorable. Okay, so that's this one. You get the cut file. And then you get the entire paper and accessory kit from this My Mind's Eye Gingham Gardens collection. So it's 6 sheets of paper and the cardstock stickers. So just flip through these papers really quickly. This one's beautiful and it's begging to be fussy cut, but the other side is really nice too. Maybe get 2 kits if you want 2 of every paper. We have this really pretty plaid. And then the back is a nice black and white, very usable. This one has all these words on it, and then the back is a light blue gingham. This is a beautiful, beautiful floral, and then the back is this pretty pink plaid. This has a really nice, beautiful kind of floral with like a yellow mustardy color. And then the back is just plus signs, really cute and fun. This is a greenish gray kind of plaid. And then the back is this one that has these little lines across it. And then we have the cardstock sticker sheet. So this kit gives you lots of options just all by itself. Lots of lettering options, things like that. So that's the basis of what I'm going to be working with today, or this month in March. So I'm going to pop that in here. Now, you and I know that this is me, and I like choices, right? I mean, we're not going to... So I'm going to add a couple of things to my kit. Just because. Very much what I do, okay? We're definitely going to add some to this kit. You could absolutely 1000% just use this kit and be fine. And I think you could definitely get 4 layouts out of this kit without a problem. But for me, and I will do this with any kit that I purchase, I want to add to it because I want lots of choices, number one. Number two, I want to use some of my stash, right? Okay, so I'm going to add a couple of sheets of natural cardstock. This is natural smooth cardstock from Basil. I grabbed 3. I really don't think I'm going to use 3, but I'm grabbing 3. Okay? So that's one thing that's going into my kit for March. Then we've been discussing how much I want to get some of these mixed media backgrounds that I have played with and done. So I'm going to add one of those. I love the color of this. I think it'll work really well. I'm going to add a bit on top of this, I think. I actually think I'm going to pull in a stencil and do some texture paste or something over this. This is one where I had done a layout using my gold Glorious Days spray mist and a couple gold shimmers. And I had some left over, and I literally just picked up the paper and like dipped it down in. And so this is almost like just the beginning of a layout. I think it needs some more layers on top of it. So I want to use that background. I'm going to go ahead and add this set of thickers, which I discussed when I did my kit, my layout share, just because I really like to get it used up. I have these little wooden veneer cameras that are hanging out on my desk. They're driving me crazy. They keep moving everywhere, and I just want to use them. So we are going to use those. Washi tape. I have so much washi tape, so I pulled a couple because I'd like to pull some of the pink. Remember, there's just a touch of pink in this kit. Where's that paper? This one. So we have this paper. There's touches of pink in that ephemera pack. And then I think there's a couple pink things in here too. One of my pictures that I really want to scrapbook has some pink in it. So I want to pull in the touches of pink from the kit, but then I'm going to need a little bit more. So I pulled 2 pink washi tapes. Plus, I didn't use washi tapes. So last month I did like stencils and lots of stamps and made my own embellishments. This time I'm going more with some more pre-made embellishments type of a plan, and then the washi. If you're wondering why I grabbed cardstock, it is because I want to use some of my Kiwi Lane templates. So I grabbed the floral set of the Kiwi Lane templates, and these are called Abbey Road. They're borders, and I thought that way I could make those 6 sheets of paper stretch really well. I'm going to add some large doilies. I'm going to add some white scraps of cardstock because I am going to add a stamp set. So just one stamp set. And it's this one from Altenew. It's called something roses, bamboo roses. That's what's called, bamboo roses. And I love it. It has beautiful images, but I thought that they worked well, again, with these flowers. So I'm never going to put just 3 flowers on a layout. So we need more flowers. So I grabbed some of these, and I thought that, again, I could cut them in black on some of that natural cardstock and cut them out, and I'd have a really graphic, fun, some really graphic, fun flowers to mix in with the ones that are part of the kit. Okay, so there's that. And then I also just got some cute epoxy bits from, I have some cute epoxy bits from Scrap and Happy Studio I want to add. So I have 3 sets of epoxy flares I'm going to add to this kit. This one is some puppy dogs ones because you'll see in a second why I chose some of these puppy dog ones. These 3 flowers, again, I think these florals will match with the gingham Farms and with the stamp set. And then I added in some of these beautiful plaid pieces. So my plan of attack for each of my layouts is to go ahead and start with the Gingham Gardens kit. So I'm going to start with that kit, pull as many elements as I can use into each layout, and then kind of pull in some of these others from my stash. And that's going to just help me to kind of round out the bought kit or the kit from the creative shop. And I love the idea of doing that. I love the idea of buying a set of products all kitted together from the Redefined Creative Christina's shop, or even ordering a kit through the Secret Not Secret Kit Club and saying, hey, I only want a $20 kit and I want it to be these colors or this design, and then taking that kit as a base and adding from your stash. That is, to me, the best of both worlds. You're getting some new stuff, and you're getting to use up some of the things that you have hanging around your craft room. I'm going to do the same exact thing that I did last month because that worked really well. So I have this set of photos. So these set of photos, this will be an 8.5 by 11 layout, and this is why I wanted to make sure to pull the pink. There's a lot of pink tones in there. It was a girl's day out, so we're going to do that one. Now you know why I picked the epoxy flares with the puppy dogs, because I have this picture of 2 of the dachshunds. And then I have these 2 photos of my niece. This one is going to be, I would really, really like to pair this one with that cut file. That's kind of my plan for that. And then I pulled 3 sketches to use. Again, keeping in mind what was in my kit while I picked my sketches. And then another thing, I only have 3 because I want to use the cut file with this photo. Okay, so that is my plan for March. What do you guys think? If you want to play along with me, you can grab one of these kits. One of these, My Mind's Eye kit, which has the brand new Gingham Gardens collection in it. The paper and accessory kit part of it. And you can use my code, which will get you 10% off. And then you can play along and see what you have in your stash that would go with these products. Okay, that's it. That's my Kill a Kit for March. I will be back starting this upcoming Saturday because, again, that worked really well. Just having a set day. Saturday is How to Kill a Kit with Style Day. And that'll be that. My box has cracked, but we're still going to use it. All right, see you all again very soon. Bye.